Hi guys, Christmas is just around the corner, and what's better for Christmas than Christmas cookies? So today we're making Vanillekipferl. This is an Austrian traditional recipe and they're made around the Christmas or the holiday season, and they're really easy to make. They only need a very few ingredients, and I used to love them as a kid. My grandma used to make them, my mom used to make them, and I hope you will make them after this video as well. So the ingredients, as always, are in the description, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. Let's get started. First off, we're going to combine the dry ingredients. So we add the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of powdered sugar, and then 1 cup of ground almonds. And we just give them a whisk and stir it all together. Now set the dry ingredients aside, and it's time to cream the butter and the eggs. Now add the butter and cream it for a couple of minutes. Cream for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the butter has been creamed together with the eggs, it's time to add our dry ingredients, and we're only going to add a few spoons at a time and let it slowly blend in. Alright, the cookie dough is ready, so we just have to cover it now with a membrane and put it in the fridge. Get a piece of cling film or a membrane. About this size is good. Okay, and just pop the dough on that. Alright, our dough package is ready. Let's put this in the fridge. We'll let it rest for 30 minutes and then we're going to shape our cookies and bake them. I'll see you in a second. Ready, it's firm, and we can now roll it into a sausage so we can cut it into equal pieces. If you have one of these silicone mats, then they can really help, because you can just put a dough on it and roll it with the whole mat. But if you don't, you can just use your hands. Just flour your working surface lightly. Okay, so put that on here. Squeeze it out a little bit. Now we roll it out. Our dough sausage to be approximately 3 to 4 centimeters in diameter. So since I don't have enough working space, I'm going to cut it in half, set one half aside, and then just roll the other half. Keep the dough lightly floured because it's sticky. If it's cool, then it shouldn't stick too much. But if you keep it lightly floured, you will have a much easier time. Okay, the dough roll is ready and we can now slice it into little pieces so we can form the individual dough balls, cookie balls, and then form them into a crescent shape. So I've already lined my baking tray with baking paper, and you see the silicone mat has like little indications on how far you can cut. So I'm going to cut them into just under 1 inch slices, maybe even close to 1/2 inch actually. First batch is ready. Now you grab a little bit of dough and you roll it into a ball. There you go. And then you roll it out slightly so it becomes a longer shape. Form it into a crescent and then place it on your baking tray. The cookies are ready and shaped, and they can now go into the oven. I've preheated the oven at 175 degrees. That's approximately 345 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in there for 5 to 6 minutes, and you will know that the cookies are done when the edges are lightly brown. So don't overbake. Here we go. Cookies are ready, and we have to cover them with vanilla sugar before they get cold, so the vanilla sugar really sticks to it and they become nice and vanilla sugary. So for that you're just going to need a little bit of powdered sugar, icing sugar, and some vanilla sugar. This is my recipe for traditional Austrian Vanillakipferl. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you're going to try and make these for this Christmas. If you enjoyed the video, of course, don't forget, leave us a like. It's really going to help the channel. And if you want to be up to date with all our latest videos, then make sure you subscribe and ring that bell button. We are back soon with another video, but for now, let's try the Vanillakipferl. Ready? Here we go. Really, really good. You gotta try these. See you soon.